Now, to be a true master chef, you have to be able to take a stunning bird like this.
Dead bird, without any feathers. Not sure if that's stunning, but go on.
And break it down into all its delicious parts.
Yep.
Ooh, this sounds exciting. Me sharpening my knife like I like my fingers.
Drums, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breasts, 1 carcass. You watching it? Lift up the knife, pierce back the skin, and literally slice through.
Lift up the skin and pierce through.
Pull back, pop out that joint.
Pop out the joint and cut through. At this point, I realised that Gordon Ramsay probably works out a lot more than I do, and I struggled to do this, but I succeeded.
Come round, slice off. Again, pierce, pull back, pop out.
Don't make me struggle again. As easy as that. I didn't know dead birds could give so much struggle.
Where the knuckle is, off. 1 thigh, 1 drum.
Me feeling where the knuckle is, and easy as that, going through it like butter. And the other one, just as easy. Bish bash bosh.
Now for the exciting part, chicken wing. Cut through the wing, snap off.
Cut through the wing, snap off, as he said.
The main part of the bird, fill the breastbone down the middle.
Oh, behave.
Come through the wishbone. And let the knife do the work.
If you're not as confident as a blindfolded Gordon Ramsay, I suggest you cut down the breastbone like this, and then just keep on running your knife along the breast until you cut it off like this.
The carcass, 2 drums, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breasts, done.
1 carcass, 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, and 2 wings. Ta-da!